Hello everyone on my YouTube channel. My name is NFT Killer. And in today's video I will tell you about a new NFT project called the Buuums. The NFT of this project can already be sold for 1 or 2 Ethereum, which is $2,000 or $3,000. So this is not clickbait. Now there is a free mint of these NFTs, and I will show you how to get yourself 1 or more of these NFTs. Let's start. There is a page of this project on Apencia, it is verified. And you can see that they are quite expensive, but we will get them for free, with a mint. Let's go to the mint site. Here you can find all the information about the project of Buuums. Please note that their number is limited, only 22 pieces. In order to get free NFT which costs more than $1,000, you must connect one of the wallets. It can be MetaMask, Trust Wallet or Coinbase. In my case, this is a MetaMask, so I connected. Well, that's all. After connecting you will automatically participate in the mint. You will receive 1 out of 22 NFT on your wallet. The project is very good with great prospects. I think their NFT will be worth more than $10,000 in the future. And anyway, what's the difference? We now get this NFT for free, which you can already sell for $2,000 or even more. Thank you all for watching. I hope you have time to pick up NFT. All links are in the description below the video. I checked everything works. Good luck to everyone, and see you in the next video. Bye.